Jumping right into this wash day, I'm using the OLAPLEX Hair Perfector number 3, and as I've told you many times before, I really like using this as a treatment in my hair before I shampoo my hair, just because it really helps to revitalize my hair, and I notice that my hair looks a lot healthier when I do use it. And please excuse the bubbles, I just moved, so this was my first time filming in this bathroom, so I'm just using that, of course, to censor myself, but I definitely know that this angle wasn't the best for me, so I'm going to work on that for the next video. And next, I like to separate my hair into quadrants. I find that by doing this, my hair is more manageable. Also, I can really make sure that I stay nice and organized and make sure that when I'm shampooing my hair, I shampoo my roots only and not the whole length of my hair. And also when I condition my hair, I can really make sure that I'm giving my hair the TLC that it needs. And for shampoo, I'm using Love Beauty and Planets, their Shea Butter and Sandalwood Purposeful Hydration Shampoo. And I find that using shampoos, conditioners, and even deep conditioners that specify that they're going to repair your hair or that it's good for hydration, they really work great in my hair. And I tend to gravitate more towards those type of products just because I find that it works better for me. And at first I was really liking the shampoo just because I felt that my hair didn't feel stripped like some shampoos have left my hair feeling. I felt that I did have a little bit of slip and a little bit of moisture in my hair, but once I rinsed it out, my hair did feel a little bit of that squeaky clean feeling, and I wasn't too fond of that. I don't like when I rinse shampoos out and my hair feels clarified. It wasn't squeaky clean, but it was definitely close to that. So I know my hair is very clean, but like I said, I don't like that squeaky clean feeling in my hair. When I shampoo my hair, I really focus more so towards the roots because that's where all the buildup, all the gunk that you want to get rid of is. So I really want to make sure that my hair is clean on the scalp. I don't want any clogged follicles there because then my hair is not going to really thrive how I want it. And once I've applied the shampoo to all 4 quadrants, it's time to rinse out, and then I'm going to move on to the conditioner. And make sure to rinse all the shampoo out. If you don't, you can have irritation on your scalp and you can have those little flakes that look like dandruff, which is not a good look. And here's how my hair looks after I've rinsed the shampoo out. It doesn't look dry, but to the touch, it feels like I need to apply some conditioner ASAP. And now to the conditioner. I'm using the Love Beauty and Planets, the Shea Butter and Sandalwood, the Purposeful Hydration Conditioner. And this conditioner, at first, it was okay, but I realized it didn't give me a lot of slip, how I love for my conditioners to be. So I wasn't really fond of this conditioner at all. I mean, even after I used a lot of conditioner, it did give me some of the desired results that I want, but I felt like I had to use too much, and that is not a good sign for me. And also make sure that you comb the conditioner through your hair. I find that when I do this, the conditioner really absorbs into my hair follicles so much better than if I don't. And then I'm just going to twist the hair up so my hair does retain that moisture, and then move on to the other subsection and then to the rest of my hair. And here's a close-up of me applying the conditioner to my hair. And it does look pretty good, and it also feels good, but again, I had to use way too much of the conditioner for me to get this desired result. And I'm going to continue the process on the rest of my hair. And here's another close-up of what the conditioner looks like applied to my hair. And it does look pretty good, and I really like how it did clump my curls. And after applying the conditioner to all the quadrants, I'm going to rinse the conditioner out. And I do rinse the conditioner out pretty good before I apply the deep conditioner. And after rinsing the conditioner out, my hair does feel pretty soft and very hydrated. My final thoughts on the conditioner were very mixed. As I've already mentioned, I did have to use a lot of the conditioner to get the desired results that I'm used to, and I used a little bit more than half of the bottle, so I would not be able to use it a full time again. So for that reason, I would definitely not repurchase, but my hair did feel nice and soft after rinsing the conditioner out. Now for the shampoo, I did like it at first, but like I said, once I rinsed the shampoo out, my hair did feel a little bit too clarified for my liking. So I definitely would not repurchase that again. My hair did feel soft to the touch, and it did feel a little bit hydrated. I just wished it looked a little bit more that way, and I wish that my hair was more defined, especially at the roots. I hope you enjoyed my video, and until next time, bye!